Timo the ward scout walks by the ocean, watching the waves rise and fall. The water doesn't stay still. It keeps going up and down. A new word appears for something that changes up and down: fluctuate. Fluctuate means to rise and fall or change constantly. Timo tries to measure the water level, but it keeps changing. The waves go higher, then lower again. Even the wind speed starts to change back and forth. Timo realizes that some things don't stay the same, they change often. When something keeps changing like this, it fluctuates. Timo remembers that when something rises and falls or keeps changing, it fluctuates. Timo feels ready to understand changing patterns.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.